Hi, I'm Phoenix. I'm 9. Today we're going to be making some chocolate ripple cake, which is really good for people who really like the flavor, cookies and cream. You'll need some whipping cream, a spatula, some vanilla extract and caster sugar for the taste, and some chocolate cookies. There's Arnott's Choc Ripple, which is originally made for chocolate ripple cake, and it's really good. But you can use any chocolate cookie for the cake. If you want to add any other taste to the cake, you can just put some coffee or liqueur in the whipping cream. So I'm just gonna add in my vanilla extracts and my caster sugar, and then I'm just gonna whip it. Make sure to get all of it out. Might wanna like a teaspoon, and I'm just gonna use an electrical mixer to whip it. Whipping the cream, you're gonna get your biscuits out and just take 2 biscuits. Grab your biscuits and put cream on, and then do 1 biscuit at a time. Just put some cream on, and then put it next to this one. Just put it on. Keep doing that process until you've used all your cookies. So once you're done 1 row like this, you're gonna put some cream here, just along the sides, and then you're gonna make your other row and put it right next to the cream so they kind of stick together, just like this. Once you're done, just gonna get a big slab of cream and just put it all over the top. Cover all the biscuits, cover everything with all the cream there, just like that. Once it's all creamed and all over, looking like a wonderful cake, I'm just gonna add some Peppermint Crisp, which is just chocolate with peppermint. I crush it in the packet and sprinkle it on top. You can add anything you want, really, or just nothing. Then put it in the fridge overnight or just for a few hours. You should at least put it in the fridge for a few hours so that the biscuits can absorb the cream and make them soft. So this has been in the fridge overnight, and now I'm just gonna have a taste. Cut it. Ooh. Get a slice. And have a piece. That's delicious. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'd also appreciate it if you could share it with friends and family.